Hey folks, this is the second and final video in this particular section, and we're going to be talking about multiplying and dividing two vectors that are written in polar form together. How do we do that? And so what you see here from the very beginning is that I've given you two vectors. Both of them are written in polar form. I've named one of them z1, and the second one I have named z2. And so if you want to multiply two vectors together that are in polar form, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to multiply your two r's together. Secondly, my polar form is still going to stay put, so you'll notice that I'm taking my r's and I'm going to multiply by a cosine of something plus an I sine of something. So then the next question is, what do we do with our thetas? And we're going to be simply adding our thetas together. So we'll multiply our r's together, we'll add our thetas together, and we'll keep the polar form intact. That's for multiplying. Now let's go down a little bit and let's talk about dividing two vectors that are in polar form. And so in this case, you can see I have the exact same two polar numbers. And this time I want to divide my z1 and my z2. And so in order to do this, the first thing I'll do is I'll divide my radii, r1 divided by r2. Once again, I'm going to keep my polar format intact. I've got my cosine of something plus my I sine of something. And so the next question is, what do I do with my thetas? And all I will be doing here is subtracting my thetas.